fresher.
What?
You usually hear this word when you have just completed your graduation from a university or a college and you're about to start your career. So I'll say that you're not the only one who's actually listening to this word. It might have happened to anyone. Even an experienced professional might have heard this word sometime in his or her career. So I'll say that you should not feel demotivated being called as a fresher. I'll tell you something good about yourself. I'll tell you some good things for being called as a fresher. So you should feel good while being called as a fresher. And why so? Because you have everything to achieve. Because a fresher is not having anything in terms of the career, in terms of the professional life. So a fresher has to start the career. So I'll say whatever you will be getting in the start, that will be 100% achievement for you. So you should feel good about yourself being called as a fresher, because you have everything to achieve, nothing to lose. And I'll not talk about certain qualities which you have within yourself, and you just need to look for those qualities. You need to polish those qualities, and you need to take benefit from those qualities. The first of them is that is a fresher is always having the ability to learn new things. So learning is a very important part of life, and fresher has that ability for learning. And I'll say that you should utilize that ability which you have used during your education for learning new concepts, new theories, and this learning will help you in your career also. So that quality you should use foremost, and I'll say that that is the first quality which a fresher possesses. After learning, I'll say the adaptability which a fresher has, that is again a very important point which you should keep in mind. The adaptability to new place, the adaptability to new institution, new university, adaptability with new people, to new subjects. So you should use that adaptability quality which is there in you, and you should utilize that quality for your effective, you can say, placements and your better career. So that is the second quality which you should possess after learning, that is adaptability. And the third quality I'll talk about specifically for a fresher is creativity. And as you know that young minds are creative, they like to create new ideas, they like to create new ways of working, they like to improve the things by their creativity. So I'll say that that quality should be there within you, and you should take utmost benefit of that quality while searching for a job, while appearing for the placement drive, or while working in the company. You should give your ideas, and fresher is always, you can say, open to new ideas. So, and the company should accept that gracefully. So I'll say you should utilize that quality, that is creativity. The next quality I like to talk specifically in case of a fresher is the ability for improvement, or the zeal to improve. The fresher specifically has the zeal to improve, because the fresher knows that there are certain flaws, there may be certain weaknesses in the beginning of the career which a fresher has in terms of the professional life, in terms of the professional goals. So I'll say that the fresher always likes to improve and to learn new things for the improvement purpose. So that is again one of the quality which you possess, and you should take maximum benefit from that quality as well. So these are some of the qualities which I have discussed specifically for the fresher. The next thing I like to talk is, whenever you have a placement interview or some other interview which is lined up in front of you, so on the interview day, when you go for the interview round, just before that, think something good about yourself, think about your achievements which you have done in the past while giving the before giving the interview. I'll say, think something good about yourself, think about certain achievements which you have done in the past before going for the interview. That will make you confident, that will make you good, and you will feel good about yourself. And think about that and give the interview with best of your efforts. Feel motivated, just feel that you are motivated because of being a fresher, as you have nothing to lose. So that is what I wanted to talk with you, and I hope that this will benefit somewhere in the future. So that's all for today. Good luck and goodbye.